already made. We've already made some. We need more.
You need borax, glue, food coloring, water.
If you want food coloring.
So
So
I still don't get why your mom made.
I need to just pour some water.
We might need more, but
That's good enough. And you just dump the whole bottle of glue.
Wait, the bottle.
There we go.
they're gonna mess up this.
Wait, I think we're supposed to put the glue in first, or not?
You put the water in first.
Oh, and just got that in my eye. I'm okay. Just might not be able to see tomorrow.
I don't think that's the.
Whoa, it's a bubble.
I think there's too much water.
Oh wow, we'll make water.
We'll only put the borax in it.
If I can get the
Do you have a
spoon
spoon?
out. Hold on, I'll have to dig it out with my hand. Oh.
So this is what it
And
looks like.
Just start dumping it in there.
Looks so
Okay,
weird.
just dump.
I'm not gonna dump it like. Hold on.
Oh my gosh.
I'll be right back. Just gotta go do something.
Ew, there's glue on my hand now. It's a blue one.
Really,
Easton?
Easton. Yeah, he's like shaking everywhere. Should I put the borax in now?
I think so.
Put like two scoops.
Oh my gosh.
Two and a half?
Oh.
I
Just
know
do
it hurts.
one more. Do one more spoon.
I'm not looking. I wanted to get in my eyes.
It hurts.
We forgot the stirring stick. Oh, spoon.
Oh, spoon.
I don't think that's all the glue in there.
Oh yeah, food coloring.
Food coloring.
I got it. How many drops should I put in?
Make it dark so it doesn't look like this one.
Mix it.
Mix it.
Yeah, get mixing it. Whoa, that's.
Use your hand. Use your hand.
That's enough.
This works good.
Use your hand.
Use your hands.
Yeah, he did
It
yesterday.
might be blue and white.
I mean, not yesterday. Yeah. That might look cool with the tint of green. No, it might be blue and green because
That's cool.
it might be blue and green because I'm putting green in.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't splash it, Easton.
Splashing all over me. Okay. Ew, it feels so weird.
Hold on, I'm putting more in. I'm putting more in.
It finally worked.
Yeah, you got all over my hand.
Okay, that's a lot of food coloring.
I know.
Oh, it feels
Thank
so
you.
weird.
Here's a spoon.
Oh.
I'll need a new spoon.
Ew. I don't think this
Okay,
is.
stop. You don't have to do it.
There's a.
Eh.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, give me it.
Hey, look, it's not sticking to
My
your
hands are so
hands.
sticky.
Wait, weren't we
Give me it
supposed to put lotion in it?
Oh yeah. You have lotion.
No.
It's messed up now. You're not going to put lotion in it.
Yeah, no.
Give me it now.
Just gonna
I'm gonna place it now.
put that right there.
Ew. It's all sticky. I think we need more borax.
No, I made it at a hospital once, and you just have to play with it for a while, and then it starts to get less sticky.
Yeah.
And that looks cool now.
Yeah, it's like a almost if we
Stop.
Don't get it on your clothes.
Okay.
Ew, it's sticky.
Oh my gosh!
He's playing with it.
He's slime man.
Just give me it. Give me
This does not look like slime.
It takes a while.
Ew. My hands are
You can see
sticky.
you can start to see the green tint in it. Don't smell your hands.
That's strong.
You can't use that
Okay, Harper. I really want to give you a nice pat, but I have 3 hands.
If I just go like this,
Wait, I think
it
there's-
starts to rub
Ew,
off.
there's
into
more
that.
slime in here.
Okay, I'm gonna rub it in the water.
There's more slime. It's at the bottom.
See, this is why you never make slime with Easton. He says, "Oh, it's okay. It will work." Like 2 days ago, it's okay. It will start to work. Oh, really? That was working.
Okay, no, that's a bad piece.
How is that?
It's the one that doesn't stick.
Yeah, that's the one.
It's working.
Tell everybody bye.
No.